Here's how to recover all deleted Instagram messages and DMs in iPhone and Android. So first, if you don't have already Instagram application, then download it. Open the App Store and search for Instagram. Here tap on Update or Install. Now here scrolling to see Instagram advice. All the Instagram new features are shown here. Also scrolling down to see about Instagram. Log in to your account with accounts DMs you want to recover. Here you can see version history of Instagram application. Scrolling down to see all the history. Now go back to home and open Instagram application. You can recover all the deleted DMs and messages from here. Go to your profile and open settings. Here select the option Your Activity. You can see your daily time. Now open the option Security. Here select the option Download Data. Enter your email address to which Instagram send you the link. You can also check the other options like login activity, access data and many more. After type your email, tap on Request Download. Here enter your Instagram password. After enter your password, tap on Next. Your recovery process is complete.